Okay, we actually live at Cemetery Road here. We actually monitor the level of construction and reconstruction of this particular road, the level of work that is actually going on now. And this is actually the level of work so far. After weeks, this particular place was actually flagged off by the current administration led by Dr. Lesoti. And before now, this place was actually too bad. People hardly, and maybe marketers and also business traders who make use of this place hardly connect to their different shops because of the bad nature of this road. But now you can actually watch and see how the road is there because of the work that is ongoing now. So you can remember that this road will lead to the biggest market in ABIA State, which is actually EZIUKWU market. This is the road that connects to that particular biggest market here. Is Cemetery Road. This is the level of work going on so far.
I feel very happy, and this road is the most quality one in ABIA State since ever have seen it for more than 24 years that the other government have been ruling. This road is the best quality so far. Thank you.
So what are you going to tell the governor that's actually making sure that this place is accessible?
I am thanking the excellent Dr. Alexi Choma Oti that let God begin to guide him and protect him and let him continue his good work in ABIA State.
My business name is EZIUKWU Enterprises, Nigeria. We do sell stockfish like apama, cod, flesh, cod cuts. Like this one now is flesh. We call this one flesh. There is no skin in it. As you can see, this is flesh. This one is flesh. This one is apam. One apam, and we call it bakasi because they put this knife. You can see there is something they put this here. That is apam bakasi. We still have haddock. This one is haddock. So we do people that want to buy. We also do webi for them, like people from Cameroon, Lagos, Calabar, Rivers. This is the depot here in Aba. So they always come here to buy the fish.
You sell one or you sell in bags?
No, we sell in bags. We sell in bags.
Let's say that I want to buy. You say this one is what now?
This one is fresh.
So like I want to carry the whole bags now. Like what am I? Like what is the price fees? Like if I want to carry this one now, one bag.
So one bag is 350,000 for one bag.
Listen, I'm buying 5 bags now. Is there anything like discount?
Yes, there is discount. If you want to buy 5 bags, there must be a discount.
Have the capacity to sell like 20 bags, 30 bags to any part of the world without issue?
Even more. Okay, my phone number is 080 65 69 7807. 080 65 69 7807.
Still on stockfish here in Cemetery Market, Aba?
Yes. At Cemetery Gate, here is the main gate of stockfish. So it's my shop. So this one we call this one's main code. Glass. Okay, this is the glass code that we have here. So I said types of fish. The hand, I use the hand that I said here. And this one, we call this one the rancy, which is black cod. Rancy.
You have the capacity, like somebody that is not in Aba now, like I said, I want you to ship like one bag, 2 bags, but do you have the capacity to ship them to any part of the state?
Yes. Anywhere you want, like I have customers in Port Harcourt, in other countries, in Nigeria, here in Texas. I have customers there.
Somebody that is buying two and somebody that's buying in bag, I know it's always in bag. Is it the same price or do you have any discount for maybe like I want to do traditional marriage now, like I need three, and that's somebody that's buying a bag. Is there any discount or maybe it's same thing?
Normally, people that want to buy one, they have their own price, but if you can buy plenty, I have discount for people that buy plenty.
I want to marry tomorrow and I need to I
can sell it 30,000 naira for each. 30,000 for each. Yes.
Number in case anybody that is interested in watching you now all over the world, and they can actually call you directly. So call your phone number twice, especially the one is on WhatsApp.
My phone number is 081 25
So I used to say stockfish, both wholesale and retail. So this one is called Bakasi. Okay, this one is called Bakasi. So I used to say this one retail. This one is Bakasi white. I used to say it's wholesale and retail.
Any number or back you want, you have the capacity.
Yes, I can do it to that person.
Let's say now I want to do so now. Is it the same price that someone is buying the bags and buying the retail? Are you giving them the same price or is there anything like this now?
Like now in bag, one bag of is 180 or 170. Depends the type of thing.
Somebody that is buying one bag and 5 bags, is there any discount? Like I'm buying 5 now, is there any discount?
No, it's almost the same.
What is let me show you that one. This one now. Like this one. So like now this one is
This one is Bakasi. Like this side now, this side we say 10 times, 11 times, but this one, by 10. By 10 pieces. This one is now 10 pieces. By 10 pieces, 7.5. Yes.
So let's say I'm buying 10 pieces now, which is supposed to be 10,000. Is there anything like discount?
Maybe I'll give that person 10,000 naira.
It's the same thing they said by 10 pieces. 10,000.
No, I will not remove it anymore.
Okay, so call your phone number twice in case anybody that is interested, they will call you directly.
Okay, 081 69 51 2334.
Again.
081 69 081 69 51 2334.
My name is Bright or Hebula, and my nickname The Boy is Good. We sell stockfish in bags. I sell in bags. This is Apama. This is the seed. We have different types, like we have cod, we have TC, we have Rancy. This is called toss. This is toss. When you buy this one, you cook with it. It's sweet. Now you come inside. This is Apama by head. This is Apamaransi. This is blackfish, but it's called Apamaransi. Yeah. Now we have white Apama. We have different types. We have like bone. We have like bone, flesh. Yeah, all types.
That I want to carry all this bag now for myself and my family now. Like, how much am I expected to buy?
Okay, like this one now we sell. Yeah, the whole bag. This is 128.
So what if I'm buying 5? Is there anything like discount?
Discount, yeah, sure. Because I buy in quantity, I will give you discounts so that you come next time you buy, you have your own care.
So I call your phone number twice in case anybody that is interested.
Okay. This is my main line: 081 677 31545. 081 677 31545. That's my WhatsApp plan.